Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about Nintendo in 2025. So first things first, Nintendo is still going strong, and this year they have dropped the Nintendo Switch 2 finally. It has a 7.9-inch 120Hz screen, smoother gameplay, better battery, and even improved Joy-Cons that snap on magnetically. Now it supports older Switch games too, which is cool, but some of them even run better now thanks to the upgraded hardware. You have got more storage, better sound, and DLSS graphics from Nvidia, so games look cleaner, smoother, and faster. Now let's talk about the games. Nintendo got big titles dropping this year like Mario Kart World, Meteorite Prime 4 Beyond, Pokemon Legends, and a new Donkey Kong Adventure 2. They are also remastering some classics like Zelda, Breath of the Wild to run better on the new console. Now, outside of the game, Nintendo has been expanding. They've got Super Nintendo World theme parks, more animated content after the Mario movie success, and they are still doing well in mobile games like Pokemon Unite. So yeah, in 2025, Nintendo is not slowing down at all. New console, fire games, and even theme parks, they're still killing it. And if you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.